Here is the answer for the day 3 bout work. Question A, write the formula for Boyle's gas law. And here I typed it. P1 times V1 equals P2 times V2. Now we have some math questions where we'll end up using this formula. Question B, a gas exerts a pressure of 50 kilopascals, so that's pressure number 1, inside a 4-liter container, volume number 1. What pressure, that's going to be pressure number 2, would this same amount of gas exert inside a 6-liter container? And that'll be volume number 2. So when I underlined all the measurements mentioned, I can see that they use P1, V1, P2, and V2. And that's why I'm going to use Boyle's law instead of other gas laws that we know about. So start by writing that formula down, and then make the substitutions. For P1, 50. For V1, 4. P2 is our unknown variable, and V2 is 6. Algebraically, to solve for P2, we need to divide both sides by the 6. And so our result is P2 is equal to 50 times 4 divided by 6, which is 33.3. This is a pressure, so it will be in kilopascals. The original pressure was 50 kilopascals in a container that had 4 liters of space. The container got larger, so the pressure will decrease. Question C. A gas exerts a pressure of 5 atmospheres, that's P1, inside a 3.5 liter container, that's V1. The pressure needs to be increased to 7 atmospheres, that's P2. What size container should be used, that's V2. So it's our same formula. P1 V1 equals P2 V2. For P1, I'm going to fill in 5. For V1, 3.5. For P2, 7, and V2 is the unknown. Algebraically, to get V2 alone, you need to remove where it says times by 7, and that's done by dividing by 7 on both sides. So V2 is equal to 5 times 3.5 divided by 7, which is 2.5. This is a volume, and so our label is liters.